Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about colorful GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super with AD102 GPU. So friend, colorful has confirmed its RTX 4070 Ti Super with AD102 CPU, and this would make it the fourth RTX 40 series card featuring a non-standard GPU, and the NVIDIA really confirmed the exact GPU processor for individual model, making this information difficult to find, and technically NVIDIA can chart the GPU at any time and nearly identical specification. And Colorful has launched a new iGame Vulkan and iGame Advanced series, and it will focus on the Vulkan model and use Colorful's own comparison tool. We can easily learn that the new card label as V2 use the AD102 GPU, and the clock speed and memory specification remain identical, and but since the card is essentially on RTX 4090D with cut down specification, and the cooler is actually more advanced, and the card is 1 centimeter thicker and use 9 8-pin heat pipes instead of 4 6 mm and 2 8 mm ones, and in theory this should allow the card to boost higher due to better cooling capacity. And in terms of power, both cards use a non-reference 310 watt specification, so it's unclear is the AD102 GPU model is actually need the more power like the MSI card, and is increased TDP from 285 to 295 watts. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.